Hi there, I'm Scott, a senior marketing manager at Satisfi Labs. You're probably here because there's so much buzz around AI in the news. More and more brands are integrating AI tools, including AI chat experiences, but you still might be unsure if it's the right fit for you. There's one obvious truth here. Customers have changed. They want information anytime and quickly before they make a purchase. They expect conversations to be both seamless and engaging. If you can resonate with these trends, then AI chat might just be the right product for you. I'll walk through 4 of the main focuses for our clients and why they think AI chat is not just a nice-to-have tool, but a necessity for their businesses. Our clients prioritize impactful digital conversations. Why does this matter? Talking to your customers isn't just about sharing information. It's about creating an enjoyable experience. When they like it, they stay, explore, and end up buying. Medieval Times uses on-brand language in their responses like, "Hello, good noble," to engage customers and maintain brand consistency. Each response includes quick replies to guide visitors to continue the conversation. Snowbird spices things up with their dog chat, using branded features like avatars and a pop-up button to make AI chat more fun and welcoming. Adding images and GIFs makes the chat lively, catches attention, and stylishly conveys their message. See how one of our DMO clients, Go Providence, provides the most personalized and granular responses based on content from blogs and their website feed. It is so simple for a visitor to have a conversation with the destination, eliminating the need to search for an answer on hundreds of web pages. In any business, customer questions are golden opportunities to boost sales. We help our clients capture these moments by guiding customers to sales opportunities. Here's how. The Pittsburgh Pirates craft personalized buying journeys, leading fans through ticket options, which increases the chance of a sale. It's a straightforward journey, giving all the necessary information to reduce decision fatigue. If fans have more questions, they can connect with a live agent via our live escalation platform. Ticket sales aren't the only way to boost revenue. Our clients also effectively direct conversations to merchandise, parking purchases, donations, and more. SoFi Stadium uses quick replies and buttons to steer conversations towards on-site purchases, providing instant answers and clear pathways to buying. You can smoothly help customers buy tickets right in the chat, thanks to our integration with top ticket service providers. Check it out in the Water for Elephants chat. It's super easy. Plus, you can choose to offer best available or premium ticket options to encourage larger cart sizes. We get it. Handling tons of repetitive customer questions is too much for a staff member to handle quickly. Our AI chat helps your team save time without increasing operational costs. Let's check out how the Minnesota Vikings guide their fans through different topics. They utilize our food and beverage finder to dynamically search for the closest food items to a fan's seating section. At Big Bus Tours, users can ask about specific schedules or policies and get an engaging and instant response. By automating these repetitive questions, you empower your team to focus on high-value conversations, boosting productivity and overall job satisfaction. Our clients are focused on making better decisions in sales, operations, and marketing using data. Our analytics platform helps our clients understand what customers really want by delving deep into the topics they inquire about. You can even track your overall return on investment on the AI chat, including time saved, revenue influenced, and more. Ready to change how you engage with your customers? Schedule a demo with us today and experience the future of visitor engagement firsthand with Satisfi Labs.